Guys, in my shed, had to take the snowblower out because it's in the way. Took some of the gas out of here. Used to sit in here all the time, but I haven't done that in a while. It's kind of a mess. But there's my deer hide from this year. A little borax on it. It's all dried out. It was bigger than that. But sugar maple, a whole lot of hickory. My old stainless steel cages when I had rabbits, I'm going to hold on to them, you never know. My birdseed bag. Chimney starter, which you can use as a stove. I have modified it for that. Generator. But down at the bottom is hickory. That can be chopped up. Stuff on the tops for my wood stove for hot tenting. And that's ornamental grass. I use it to start fires in the house or throw in your bag. The thinner stuff could be used as tinder. The other stuff is more or less kindling. But yeah, I'm going to do a little video. Got sage over here too. I'm going to try biofuel in a Trangia, well, no, Swedish Army alcohol stove. See if it works. Don't know. I have something else I'll put in there if it doesn't work. Got to heat up some food, and then on my other stove, like a cat food stove, that does have a wick. I'm going to put some biofuel in there. Kind of a continuation of this biofuel test, but using different stoves. If it burns slower, that's good. That's what I want. I want it to burn. I want it to work. So, all right. So, we'll get on with this, man. So you don't spill it. You have to kind of pour it against this. And then, again, this is a gasket from a stove. And it works with alcohol. I did spill some, so I have to be careful here. It is taking in the alcohol. It is taking in the alcohol on the Army stove, Swedish Army stove. Will it light? I don't know. Because usually you have to prime them and it blooms and everything else, so we'll see what happens. It's burning on the side. Will the whole thing catch? I don't know. Is it a bit inconvenient? Right now it doesn't seem to be working out that great. It's not really working out. But got some flame going on here. It's hard to see here, but it's actually burning on the side a little bit too. Poured some fuel up in it. You have to try different wick materials. It is burning, not as well as I would like. Yeah, it's burning around the sides. Let's put this on top. There's tea in here, and it is burning. Maybe it'll draw. So let's see. Oh. I have my camera over. It's my phone, so 2 minutes 18 seconds. It is burning. Not a lot, not that great. Needs a better wick. So if you had a good wick system, like candle wicks you put in there or whatever, it'll work. This is the cat food stove. It did absorb it, and it is burning. Let's see what happens. The Trangia, it's taking a long time. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what this thing's doing. Still burning. It's hard to see. I can't shut the lights out or anything. I don't know. I mean, a little awkward to work with. Sides are getting hot. We'll see what happens on that one. This one, what I'll do is I'll put this wick on the inside and see if we can light that, and then maybe the wick in the Swedish Army stove will light. I don't know. This is my backup plan here. Again, this is just cotton rope, like a clothesline more or less. So, but I'm gonna put this in, and we'll see what happens. And just in a pinch, see if it's doable. Lay it down in there, wick it up, soak it, get the wick hanging out a little bit. Okay, so what's it doing? Yeah, we'll see. Is it working out as easy as I wanted it to? No, it's not. With the actual stove, the biofuel stove, it works good. But so let's give this a shot. Yeah. Not lighting like the pull this up a little bit. It's not lighting like the stove that is designed for the fuel. Let's just light this thing, man. Cool. Lighting up now. Push it down a little bit. So guys, does it work on the Swedish Army stove or transient? No, I don't recommend it at all. Is it still burning? Yes, it is. In the middle with the wick that I got. Also, I tried putting this ring on there and it just went out. Needs lots of air. So, would I recommend that? No. Does it work on this cat food stove? Eventually. Takes a long time for the ring to burn. It was uneven at first. As you can see right now, you know, tea's fine, man, you know. This, is it warmed up? Yeah, it is. I mean, not a total failure. I don't recommend it. This can be done. It takes, you know, it'll cook a long time. I would stick with the regular biofuel can. Works the best. Is this simmering in here? Is it? Yeah, but it's like, you know, focused on one spot. I don't like that. So I don't think it works that good with this stove. Is it? Yeah, it's functional. Damn, that tastes good though. Yeah. I mean, did I get it done? Yeah. With Plan B, with that little wick there, the rope. Damn. That's good, man. Now the tea, I'll just leave the tea on there. I mean, that's ready to go. And with the tea, I got some nice dates. But just at the critical time, my battery ran out on my phone, so I had to go get a remote charger. So this is going out now. The exact time, it burned a long time, but not bad. It did the trick. Stick with the biofuel stove. It's not bad. I'm just going to eat this. So this is not a Canteen Cup Tuesday. I wanted the emphasis to be on the experimenting with these type of stoves with the biofuel. I'd say stick with the biofuel stove and check it out. You can probably make it. Make one. They do seem to like air. I did notice that. This is still burning, but the stove is not blooming. But man, meantime, pretty damn good. Good, man. Tastes good. Come on. Someone's eyeballing this stuff. That's still burning there. Give it a little heat. Don't recommend it. I would say excuse me. If you don't want to use a biofuel stove, I would experiment and build your own. Look at theirs and build your own. But it's just as easy to buy the fuel. I think burns says 7 hours. And just refill it with the biofuel, and it's fine. It's actually hot, so. This tight. I got this for Christmas, so figured I'd use it. I make spoons. I've been making a lot of spoons. I want to make spoons. Did I want to make spoons today? Yeah. But I figured I'd continue with this biofuel thing. So let's have a cup of tea here, man. I'll sip on the tea before I go. I've got some nice dates too. I'm not laying down like Jabba the Hutt and eating dates and drinking tea in my tent. No. But pretty darn good, man. Man, it tastes good. Nice Murphy's tea. This is still burning. So, no, it's not Canteen Cup Tuesday. We're just checking the stove out. So, Squinty Eskimo. Did we heat up our food? Yes. Did we heat up our tea? Yes. You saw the video, so decide for yourself. I would go with the biofuel stove or make your own. I would not put this in here. I'm going to let it burn out though because I'll put some alcohol in there after. I don't know the chemical properties of this. It's organic, it's natural, it's not toxic. We'll see. It's good, man. So, Squinty Eskimo. We're kicking. Thank God everything's good, man. So, I'm going to put this top back on there. I can even keep it up here if I want to keep it warm. Probably should. And I'm going to eat my food, man. Yo. Stove gets a little, I did notice the Trangia stove with this type setup gets very hot. The stove itself. So I be careful. But I'm just going to put this on here just to keep my tea nice and hot. But yeah, man. That's good, man. So clean the gas smoke. Keep it together. Let's stick together. We'll be fine, man. So, take care. Just want to let you know, when you put the stove out, use the cap, take the gasket out. Gasket comes out. Watch what happens when you blow on it. You don't want to do this. It flares up. So just take the top, put it on, it's out. It's a little safety note.